will be defining moments in our lives that change everything. Moments that come down to our personal commitment to succeed and to fail. Where you rely on your talents, intuition, and perseverance. Falling back on your knowledge when falling into the unknown. Relying on those around you as we work together to create something that doesn't exist. To answer the questions without solutions. Knowing it's not about the accolades, but about the impact one idea can have on the state of the world. To rely on your love of science, creativity, and problem solving. Understanding that when things seem impossible, you are one step closer to discovering the magic in the molecules. Creating a reality full of hope. No matter the role you play, you are fueled by passion. Knowing you are part of a greater purpose. Each day your work promises more holidays, more memories, more moments, giving them the tools they need to save a life. Because a win for our industry is a win for humanity. ISPE members shape the future of the pharmaceutical industry. Join the ISPE community today.